Hi, in this video I will talk about the Snatchers Surah and the verse 30 and verse 33. So he made the earth egg-shaped. From it he produced his own water and pasture. He established the mountains. All this to provide life support for you and your animals. So I was thinking why the shape of earth is important. I'm not a physicist, I'm not an expert, so I checked the internet. So just find the university website Columbia Climate School. It's not really very scientific uh, article, but it is interesting. Let's read it. What would happen if the Earth were actually flat? The Earth has yet again made a revolution about the Sun, but not so fast. If you subscribe to the idea of a flat Earth, then you would believe that no such thing happened, because the Sun rotates in a circle around the sky. Humans have known for thousands of years that the planet is round, yet the belief in a flat Earth refuses to die. Members of the Flat Earth Society and several celebrities, including NBA players and this rapper, claim to hold such beliefs. Let's examine then how the well-known principles of physics and science will work on a flat Earth. It is unclear how gravity would work or be created in such a world, says James statement. So it's like its shape is related to the gravity. And otherwise God should create something else, a geophysicist at Columbia University. That's a pretty big deal, since gravity explains a wide range of earthly and cosmic observations. The same measurable force that causes an apple to fall from a tree also causes the moon to orbit the earth and all the planets of orbit sun. So it's interesting that it says that he made the earth egg-shaped. From it he produced his own water and pasture. So if there is no gravity, then the plants cannot be there is easily, right? Nowadays they're trying to um, have them, in other planets, but it's not easy. People who believe in an Earth flat assume that gravity would pull straight down, but there's no evidence to suggest it would work that way. What we know about gravity suggests it would pull toward the center of the disk. That means it would only pull straight down at one point on the center of the disk. As you got increasingly far from the center, gravity will tug more and more horizontally. This would have some strange impacts, like sucking all the water toward the center of the world. It is interesting that and making trees and plants grow diagonally, since they develop in the opposite direction of gravity's pull. So we see that he made the earth egg-shaped, and then we see that he produced his own water and pasture. So this is very interesting, right? It's like if the earth is not egg-shaped, then the water and pasture cannot be there, right? And then we cannot alive. And so the further explanation, all this to provide life support for you and your animals. And if it's not alive, then we cannot be there. Solar problems. Then there is Sun, the scientifically supported model of the solar system. The Earth revolves around the Sun because the latter is much more massive and has more gravity. However, the Earth doesn't fall into the Sun because it's traveling in an orbit. In other words, the Sun's gravity isn't acting alone. The planet is also traveling in direction perpendicular to the star's gravitational tug. If it were possible to switch off that gravity, the Earth would shoot away in a straight line and hightail it out of the solar system. Instead, the linear momentum and the Sun's gravity combine, resulting in a circular orbit around the Sun. So deep below ground, the solid core of the Earth generates the planet's magnetic field, but in a flat planet, like alternative planet in a flat shape, uh, that would have to be replaced by something else, perhaps a flat sheet of liquid metal that, however, wouldn't rotate in a way that creates a magnetic field. Without a magnetic field, charged particles from the Sun would fry the planet. They could strip away the atmosphere, as they did after Mars lost its magnetic field, and the air and oceans would escape into the sky. Another thing, the air and oceans would escape into the skies. So we see that after this, and then we see it's interestingly connected and related from it. So this is a good continuous. And also mentioning the mountains and all this to provides life support for you. It shows that it has a balance, and it's important and it's beautiful, and it supports the theory of the in Quran the similar verses may be more likely, like if it was mentioned in the same context, then they are more related, like verses in a row. Anyway, that's all I want to mention in this video. Thanks for watching this video and hope to see you in the next video.